Excellent. Okay, we'll now reset the barrel for our second prize draw, which is for our early bird. This prize is valued at $5,000 and will be provided in cash, or should the winning resident live in Victoria, then we will provide it as $5,000 in gold bullion. To be eligible for this prize, the drawn ticket must be purchased in Lottery 214 on or before the 19th of June and be an active uncancelled ticket. The ticket range for this starts at 10,001 and goes to 49,399. Thus, we have to reset the barrel. So, just give us a moment. Oh no, they stay the same. So 0 and 1's come out of here, and the 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 come out of here. Everything else remains the same.
So 0 and 1.
Hang on,
This
hang on one sec.
This is for the 0s and 1s.
Separate bag?
Yeah, they're a separate bag for the 0s and 1s.
Oh.
They're spares.
Here we go. We've got the wrong bag. That's all right.
That's right.
Now you're right, we'll have to pull everything out. So what we're going to do is pull everything out. Yeah, we'll move everything back. You've got to try and pull it out. Put in somebody else.
That's why I thought those bolts.
It is resetting a barrel. It's always fun because you literally have to pull everything out and reset it, and then we've got to get. Then we ask you both to double check all the numbers all again.
Yes, makes sense.
Yeah. All right. So, as stated, we go to 49,000. So that's why there's nothing in here. 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, singles. All right. So because it only goes to 49,000, actually we don't need 5 there. So let me put that one away, please. So we only need to go to 0 to 4.
Yeah.
So all the rest, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and 0 to 9. Please double check.
Well, this one is 0 to 3.
Because if you
I get what you're saying though, you go into the, it goes into the next number.
yeah,
after
so
this.
if it goes 8, 9, 9, what do we do then? There's no,
This is coming all together now.
No, it's good that you ask. Cool. All right, so the balls have now been checked. As I stated, the ticket range starts at 10,000 and goes to 49,399. Ezekiel, could you drop the balls into the barrel, please? And we'll begin the manual barrel draw. Okay, Let's make somebody $5,000 richer. Hate that's not me. Okay. Ticket number we have is 27163. That's 27163. Great. Excellent. We know it's a 6B because it has a little line just underneath the number here.
27163. Purchase ticket. 14. November, Charlie, Charlie, Mike, Bravo, Sierra, Echo, Juliet, X-ray, 5, Victor, 8, 4, Quebec, Charlie. November, Mike, Hotel 1, Hotel, Bravo, 30, 0, Hotel, Delta 2, X-ray, Golf, Tango, Mike. I don't know. He was 20. Huh?
Okay. With the winning ticket number of 27163 is SS from Cervantes, WA. Alright, so that concludes our prize draw for prize draw 214 for today. Thank you everyone. I made a mistake when I read out the ticket number for the prize draw of the early bird draw. The winning ticket number is 27163 and it is still SS from Cervantes, WA. So apologise for that. Perfect.